Urhobo melo jebe na wado. Kebo wali mebi yo motero wa oyono Urhobo Christi ogenenyeru igo. Ugera waina amare yono pare Ibieta iveve Urhobo. KUKUGBE rare ya ewo Urhobo. None na keme gono bi yono pare Ibieta ra. KUKUGBE rare ewo Urhobo. In our last class, we talked about 2 letter words in Urhobo language and how they are being pronounced. But today we are talking about 3 letter words and how they are being pronounced in Urhobo language. Some of the 3 letter words sound as follows, e.g. Ame Water, Aye woman or wife, Ato Chewing stick, Ato Desert, Ara to beg, Ara we should go, Bra bad, Bro got it, Bro how much, Dja join, Dja To pepper, Dje To blow, Dje Run, Efa Others, Efe Riches, Efi Climbing rope. That rope they use in climbing palm tree to cut palm fruits. That is called Efi. Ego bottles, Eki Market, Eku Oppression, Elo Shine, Emu Food, Ena Look at them, Eni Elephant, Enu Up, Emo Children, Erha, Ibie leaves or books, Fue Stop it, Fue Stop it, Fuo Off it, Ra forbid, Go bully, to bully somebody, Ro to entertain someone, especially traditionally when he or she visits you, Kwa to pay, Kwa pay it, Hue to beat someone, Hue to beat someone, Hue to kill or kill, Hue kill, to kill, Hue laugh, Hue again, that is one na Hue kufia, that is throw away o, throw away, Hue throw away, Pa vomit it, Pa vomit it, Pe go to, that is Pe go to, Yanpe obo na wari you anare, go to that place and bring that thing for me, Pe Po go, Po go, Itu mushroom, Ive promise, Ive too, Mra sound, Mre see, Mie take, Mo carry it, Mo carry it, Moi that is to pound, pound, Moe carry, Moe carry it, Moe ora na kere, go and carry that thing for me, Moe carry, Yan be going, Yan be going, Nyo here, Nyo here, Obo hand, Oko, boat. Oko, boat. Oke, gift. Oma, body. Oni, mother. Ota, talk. Obe, book. Oka, corn. Okay, time. Ole, yam. Omo, child. Ose, father. Also, hawk. Ova, should he or she butcher it? Ova, there is one ova, that is should he or she butcher it. Then ova, break it or breaking it. Break it, ova, break it or butcher it. Ovo, one. Ovo, one. Fa, renounce. Fair, that is fair. P, stone. Fo, jump. Re, to come. Re, to filter. Ro, like saying it should rain. She, fall. She, sell it. She, sell it. She, sell. Then she, sell it. Udin, porcupine. Udo, mortar. Van, to yell at someone, yell. Vie, to suck. Vie, suck. Vie, cry. Where, in. Where, in. Wo, get or to get. Wo, to help someone to put a heavy load on his or her head, or to carry load on her head. Might be heavy, might not be heavy. Then the last but not the least, nya. Nya means walk. Then nya be going. Etine oyimidi kuyo no menu neviyo. Ebiko wanenuwe mewa motero wa. Maybe Facebook. Please follow me on Facebook. My Facebook account, the name is Christy Nyero Igo Force. I have another Facebook page with the name Christy Nyero Igo. Then Instagram is Christy Nyero Igo Force. My YouTube is Christy Nyero Igo Force. My Twitter, Lady Christy Igo. Then I'm still on TikTok with the name Lady Christy Igo. The other one is Snapchat. Please kindly follow me as my brothers, my sister, my father, mothers, my mentors. Please follow your Christy and learn Urhobo language. Even if you know it, there is no harm in still learning more, because even me that is teaching, I am not 100% good at it, but I'm just trying my best, because this is what I love doing for my Urhobos, so that Urhobo language will not go into extinction. Every other thing I'm doing online is just an addition. So please follow your sister, follow me always, like my post, comment on my post, and share my post. And God will bless you all. Don't forget to smile, and always remember that Smiling Christy love you all. Wado wakobiru. ibe go no mama.